Pitts was a pioneer in the study of smog and air pollution, especially in Los Angeles County. Pitts co-founded the statewide Air Pollution Research Center at the University of California, Riverside in 1961 and served as the center's director from 1970 to 1988. He authored more than 400 scientific publications and 4 books on the subjects, especially smog. According to the chair of the Air Resources Board, Mary Nichols, Jim Pitts was probably the single person most responsible for the understanding of what strategies we need to clean up Southern California's air. He was able to explain all of this in English to policymakers so that they would be able to accept that it was going to take extensive and difficult actions to control emissions. He often invited state and federal officials to his smog chamber at UC Irvine, including Jerry Brown and Ronald Reagan, to demonstrate the effects of smog and air pollution. In a common demonstration, Pitts would fill an Erlenmeyer flask with ozone and then twist a slice of lemon onto the flask. The ensuing chemical reaction, which quickly produced a fog, demonstrated the formation of smog in the atmosphere. Pitts refused funding from industry groups, which increased his center's credibility. He was the recipient of numerous awards and recognitions from the California State Assembly, the United States Congress, the Coalition for Clean Air, the South Coast Air Quality Management District, and the California State Air Board. A high school teacher sparked his interest in chemistry during his junior year. Pitts enrolled as a chemistry student at University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, in 1939. He left during World War II, joining a group of young scientists who conducted classified chemical warfare field tests. Their work led to the development of more effective gas masks for Allied forces during the war. He returned to UCLA, where he received a bachelor's degree in chemistry in 1945 and a doctorate in 1949. Pitts married his second wife, UC Irvine chemist and professor Barbara Finlayson Pitts in 1970. He followed her to the University of California, Irvine in 1994, where the two collaborated of research and co-authored books and other publications. James Pitts died of natural causes at his home in Irvine, California, on June 19, 2014, at the age of 93. He was survived by his wife, Barbara Finlayson Pitts, and 3 daughters, Linda Lee, Christy Hoffman and Becky St. George.